commercial and semi-commercial bridging loans. Commercial bridging loans provide short-term finance for a property that is used for business purposes, common examples being offices and shops. Semi-commercial bridging loans are used for mixed-use properties. Here, both residential and commercial assets exist in the same space. A semi-commercial bridging loan can be used for a building containing flats above a restaurant, for example, or a large development which includes retail space and new homes. How do commercial and semi-commercial bridging loans work? All our deals are bespoke, meaning each case is assessed on its own merits. But for commercial and semi-commercial claims, we'll need details on the property's value and purchase price, whether there is a rental income, details on how the funds will be utilised, and more. Commercial and semi-commercial loans can be issued just as quickly as their residential counterparts. Furthermore, repayment of the interest can be tailored to suit the requirements in the same way as our other types of loans. What can commercial and semi-commercial bridging loans be used for? These loans can be used for a range of commercial properties, such as the purchasing of warehouses and retail outlets, but they can also be used for other business ventures. This includes the releasing of capital from an asset to fund a project, or the refinancing of an existing arrangement for more flexibility. Here at MFS, our commercial and semi-commercial bridging loans are available from £100,000 to £30 million, with the maximum LTV of 75%.